What is up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make car magnets fast and easy. And to make the design, we're going to use ORACAL 651 vinyl. The magnetic sheet comes in a roll, the one we get, and I'm going to leave the link in the description. And this is exactly the kind we get. Yeah, they're going to be 13 by 24. We just got to make a little mark by the, yeah, right there, 13. And then we're just going to cut it. We're going to use the blue ruler. Okay, what I had to do, I had to turn the cutting mat and the magnet because it was going to be hard to cut it, and I got to make sure that it's straight. So I had to reposition the whole materials. Okay, nice and straight. Of course, you're going to need a vinyl cutter. We have the GRAPHTEC CE 6060 24-inch. Vinyl that we use is the ORACAL 651. Software that we use, COREL Draw, and the tape we use is the R tape Clear Choice AT75. Now we're just gonna add the tape on top of the vinyl to transfer it to the magnets. Okay. Okay, we're cutting the extra paper so we can measure it, so we can center it, take the measurements to the sides, just like we normally do. We had to do 2 different sets of magnets, and each set had different phone numbers. That's why you will see different phone numbers. We're gonna do dry application. We have our registration marks. We're just gonna cut little bits of the paper so we can expose the registration marks so we can see where we align it. We have 2 different registration marks. We usually place one first and then the second one afterwards. See how easy it is to make them? Now it's time to remove the registration marks. We don't need those anymore. This is not vinyl. The white part right here that you see is actually part of the magnet, and same right here. This is not another layer of vinyl. This is just the magnet, and you can see through the vinyl. Let me tell you a little bit about the t-shirt that I'm wearing. We have a second YouTube channel, which we do in Spanish. And in case you want to check it out, I'm going to leave the link in the description, and it's called Sticker Aficionado. You can just follow the link. It'll take you straight to that, and make sure to subscribe if you want to watch our videos in Spanish. As always, thank you for your support. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, and share our videos, and hit that notification bell. See you guys until the next time. Have a great day.